Use of has been and have been, its breakdown and their functions. Has been is used with singular third-person subjects he, she, it, or singular nouns. Have been is used with plural subjects we, they, and singular first and second-person subjects I, you. Both has been and have been are used in the present perfect continuous tense, which describes actions or states that started in the past and continue to the present, or have just recently stopped. Both has been and have been can also be used in the passive voice to describe ongoing situations or results of actions that started in the past. She has been practicing the piano since she was a child. She is singular, so has been is used to show the long-term, continuing action of practicing. It has been raining all day. It refers to the weather, a singular subject, so has been is used to describe the continuous rain. The dog has been chasing the ball all morning. The dog is singular, so we use has been to describe the dog's continuous action of chasing. They have been waiting for the bus for over an hour. They is plural, so we use have been to describe the ongoing action of waiting. We have been living in this neighborhood for a long time. We is plural, so have been is used to describe the ongoing action of living. The report has been completed. The report was finished at some point, and this result is relevant now. The invitations have been sent. The action of sending the invitations happened, and the result is important now. Quick summary. Use has been with singular subjects he, she, it. Use have been with plural subjects we, they, and with I or you.